Let's get straight into it. 1992 Cadillac Brougham. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Paint has a few spots, but she's in overall good condition. Let's check her out. Interior is nice and clean. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me which ones y'all think ride better, the Cadillacs or the Lincolns. In my opinion, it's the Cadillacs. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me which one y'all think got the better ride quality. And she does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals. Driver side frame and floor pans. She has service, but she can be knocked down and treated. It's nothing that's cancerous. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latching. You gotta love that feature. Interior's in good shape, and she has all the options. Power windows, power locks, digital gauge cluster. Seats nice and clean. Headliner. Check out how beautiful this dash is. We'll take a look at the mileage on startup. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Start her up. Mileage reached a little over 83,000. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. I'm gonna have all the contact information in the description below. Running nice and smooth. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.